In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an announcement bar in Shopify. An announcement bar is that slim strip at the very top of your store, usually used to highlight things like free shipping, discount codes, or important updates. It's simple to set up, but it can make a big difference in how you communicate with your customers. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through adding it, customizing the way it looks and behaves, and updating the text so it fits your brand. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Online Store and click it. This will take you to your themes page where you'll see a list of themes connected to your store. Your current theme will appear at the top of the list. On that active theme, click the option to edit the theme, which will open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a preview of your store in the center and a list of sections on the left panel. This is where you control which pieces appear on your pages. Find the header section, then click the button to add a section. A list of possible sections will pop up. From this list, choose Announcement Bar. Shopify will add a new Announcement Bar section, and you'll see it appear in the left panel. You can drag and drop this new section to change its position. For example, moving it above or below other header elements. Next, click on the new announcement bar section in the left panel to open its settings. Here, you can decide how your announcements behave. You can turn on or off the auto rotate option, which automatically cycles through multiple announcements. If you enable it, choose how many seconds should pass before it switches to the next message, so it's readable but not too slow. You can also choose a color scheme that matches your brand and decide whether you want a separator line to visually divide the bar from the rest of the header. Under the Utilities area, you'll see options to show or hide social media icons, a country or region selector, and a language selector. These tools can be really helpful if you sell internationally or have multiple languages. In your theme settings, make sure your social media links are correct so those icons take visitors to the right profiles. If you're comfortable with code, you can also add custom CSS for more advanced styling. To control the actual text that appears in your announcement bar, click the back arrow at the top left of the settings panel to return to the list of blocks, then select the announcement block. This is where you type the message you want customers to see, such as a promotion or shipping notice. You can also add a link, sending visitors to a specific product, collection, or any other page, or even an external site if needed. When everything looks and feels right, take a moment to review the preview on different screen sizes if your theme allows it. Once you're happy with the setup, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. That final step publishes your changes, and your Shopify store will now display your new announcement bar to visitors.